Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to try a recipe I've been dying to try for ages and I just never came across a reason to do it. And then when I started this, I thought maybe we could do it together. These are homemade soft pretzels and I love pretzels and I've never made them from scratch before. So let's do it. This will be the first time, so I'm all excited. So we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to put this in the warm water and we're going to get this mixed up until it's all dissolved. Okay. And then we are going to add in our active dry yeast because, you got to have your yeast. But while we're waiting for this to dissolve, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Always click on the link tree for other fun stuff. So, all right. So we have our dry yeast. So we're going to get this puppy cut open and we're going to pour this in, and this has to sit in here. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. We got to let the yeast bloom before we add our next step. Okay, so I'll see you back here in 5. All right, so we've let the yeast bloom. Now we're going to add in about 4 cups of flour. And so there's 1, 2, 3-ish, and 4-ish. So there's our flour, and then we're going to put in a tablespoon of salt. Do a little tiny bit less. I don't like to do a whole lot of salt. And then a couple tablespoons of oil. And then we're going to get this all mixed up until our dough forms. Okay. So now comes this patience is a virtue at this point. It's all mixed up. I switched over, put some gloves on because I got my nails. I don't want to get pretzel dough underneath my nails, but we're going to get this all kneaded up. Mix in all that flour, all that salt. Okay. So now we're going to pull this out for just a second, and we're going to put a little bit of oil to coat the inside of the bowl, because now we need to put this back in here and we're going to get it covered with saran wrap, and then this has to sit so it can rise for about an hour. So I'll see you back here in about an hour, okay? Okay, so the dough for these pretzels has been rising for just over an hour now. So we're going to get this plastic pulled off and we're going to get to our very next step. And I turned my oven on because these are going to go on in the oven for, it's at 450 degrees. Where this plastic wrap is. Doesn't want to let go. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to pull this around. Get this cut up into portions. I think this is supposed to make like 8, somewhere around there. So we shall see what we can do. I've got my water boiling already as well, because that is our very next step, is that these are going to go into the boiling water with some baking soda. All right, so here we go. Let's get these rolled out. Let's roll these puppies out. See, this is where that fancy mat of mine's going to come into play. All right. That just doesn't want to go. There we go. That's the first for me. I've never done this before. This is fun. We're making pretzels. All right. So now we're going to take it and do it a couple times. Spread it out. But that's a smaller one. I want to make them bigger, so my next one's going to be bigger. Not bad for a first try, though. That's not too bad. Like I said, it's what we do in the kitchen here. We experiment, don't we? Yep, this one's definitely going to be bigger, for sure. There we go. There we go. See, we want these nice and long. Okay, here we go. Let's try this one. Around and around we go. How big it gets, we'll never know. Okay, so that one's a little bit better. A little bit bigger. There we go. I guess that's the fun part. You can do however you're going to do it. See? Look at that. All right, so we're going to get the rest of these done up and head over to the stovetop, okay? All right, I've got all my pretzels up. I'm going to add my baking soda to the water. Get it all bubble up. Get that all mixed up a little bit. All right. So here we go. So we're going to start with our smaller one, our very, very first one. Let's see how this goes. So you're just going to put these in the boiling water. You're going to get them in there just about 30 seconds each side, and then flip them over, and then we'll take them out. So, okay. So we're going to get the rest of these done up, and then we will get to the next step, okay? So these are all done. I've got some melted butter here that we are going to brush liberally over with these pretzels. And then we are going to make sure that the salt, and of course it's got to be the rock salt. I want to make sure that salt all gets in there. So we're going to get these all brushed with this butter and make sure the salt is all on them. Like I said, I ended up doing 6 of these pretzels, and then with the rest of the dough, I've got some, I did pretzel bites because I love pretzel bites. So that's what I did with the last of it. And so I'm going to get these all done up, and then it'll be time to throw these in the oven, okay? All right, our pretzels are all ready to go into the oven. Like I said, 450 degrees. They're going to go in here for 10, maybe 12 minutes. All right, we're going to get these mini ones on the very, very bottom. And get these all in here. And like I said, we're going to head back in about 10 or 12 minutes. Right, so our little bites have already come out, and we have got the regular pretzels. Ooh. Baby, look at how good those look. All right, so we're gonna get these out, and we're gonna get them plated up and get our cheese sauce, and it's time to try these puppies out. All right, here's our finished product. What an experiment this was, wasn't it? So we've got some beautiful looking pretzels. I got a little bit of cheese sauce on the side. So of course, we have to give it a shot, don't we? You gotta try it and see how good it is, because I'm sure it's amazing. Oh yeah. That was some pretty good pretzels. Pretty good. So there you go. Another fun adventure. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.